A suspected terrorist has been killed in a powerful explosion that's taken place in Amritsar. We're talking about the Majita Road bypass area in which this explosion that took place that resulted in the death. And this happened at about 9:30 in the morning. The blast was so intense that both the arms of the person were blown off above the waist. Now, authorities also are claiming to possess strong evidence linking the deceased to a Pakistan-backed terrorist group. In order to know more on this, we have Gurpreet joining us, but let's just listen into what the authorities had to say.
देखिए, आपको जैसे मैं पहले भी ब्रीफ कर चुका हूँ, ये जो व्यक्ति जख्मी हुआ था सुबह, इसकी डेथ हो चुकी है। ये टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ही मेंबर है और यहाँ से अबैंडन जगह से ये विस्फोटक ना कुछ चीज़ सामग्री थी, उसको इसने रिट्रीव किया और वहाँ इसके ब्लास्ट हो गया। उसकी वजह से इसकी डेथ हो चुकी है और आगे हम इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं कि इनका क्या इन्होंने टारगेट करना था, किस लिए ये यहाँ पर पहुँचे थे।
Authorities are claiming that the man perhaps had strong ties. This is linking the deceased to a Pakistan-based terrorist group. The cops suspect that he had links with Pakistan. The individual is a suspected terrorist, is what the officials are now going on to say. They're probing the matter. They're probing a terror angle in this explosion that took place in Amritsar at 9:30 in the morning, in which the suspected terrorist is believed to have been killed. And we have Gurpreet joining us. Gurpreet, the explosion was so strong. When we talk about the intensity of the blast that took place, that both the arms were blown off of the man. But he, what is a real concern here is that he's said to be a suspected terrorist, and now the officials are probing a terror angle as far as this explosion is concerned. So, of course, a suspected terrorist who has, been killed in an explosion that took place. An explosive device has been found along with the man. But initially, of course, the police thought perhaps this was something that, was not intentional, wasn't planned. But now the authorities have gone on to say that they have reasons to believe that he could be linked to a terrorist group backed by Pakistan. That is what the authorities are claiming, to possess strong evidence linking the deceased to the ISI group. That is what we're hearing. Those are initial reports that are coming in after the blast that took place at about 9:30 in the morning in Amritsar. So this is a man who is said to have, he is said to be a suspected terrorist, and officials have gone on to say that they are now looking and probing into the matter and probing into a terror angle that could be the motive behind the blast. Hearing the loud explosion, locals in fact rushed to the scene, and they were the ones who informed the police in the first place. This is the claim that is being made by the initial investigation into the matter. Gurpreet joining us. Gurpreet, take us through the very latest. Who was this man who is, supposedly having links with Pakistan backed terrorist group, and also the cops there now investigating that there could perhaps be a terror angle involved in this explosion?
Well, that is the clear statement which was being given by Deputy Inspector General of Amritsar, who has already made it very clear that it's the purely terrorist case which is being probed by the police officials there. What we have learned from the investigator, they say during the course of investigation they have also learned this man was associated with one of the terror groups, and he has gone there on the directions of some handler, and he was trying to take that explosive from that place, and that has immediately blasted, and that was one of the reasons why he had got severe injuries. But during the treatment he has already been lost his life during the treatment. What we have understand, a very clear word from the police officer and investigator, they say it seems during the course of various cases which are being probed by the Punjab police, they have learned that some of the foreign handler, they are giving the indication that they are giving some place that that grenade or any explosive that has been sent at that location, and they will take out from there, and after that that explosive had been used for the terror activities in Punjab. Now they are probing in detail to find out more detail. Who was this person? What type of criminal background does he have? And how he has come
Right.
in touch with the foreign handlers. So all part are being investigated by the Punjab police.
Right.
But as of now, very clear word from DIG Amritsar. He has already said it's a
Right.
total terror case, and they are probing on the terror lines also. Back
Right.
to studio.
Thank you so much, Gurpreet. We will keep coming back to you for more on that.